Good morning. Well, it's not exactly the nicest of days, but I'm going to try and spend some time today up on the top lake here. So last week I spent a day trying to clear the other side, so I cut the grass in the corner and I cleared up to halfway. This week I'm doing the opposite side and trying to open up this walkway again. So we've got the berberis hedge on this side that needs cutting, the grass that needs cutting, we've got the viburnums on this side that need cutting, and then we've got the willow trees that have just turned up that need getting rid of. So I'm going to try and get the grass cut and the berberis hedge cut, because these viburnums I want to be severe with. So the other year, because I'm halfway along here, the other year I actually started being severe with them. As you can see, this is as far as I got, but I cut them right down and they've bushed out nicely. So that just needs a trim now. That's fantastic. So I can give that a trim, cut all the grass around it, that'll look lovely. But these things here, where they're getting so large, they're starting to pull themselves apart. So, like I say, I need to be severe with them. But I don't think I'm going to be able to get around to do that today. The main aim is this berberis hedge and the grass. So right, let's head back to the start and get cutting on this grass. Okay, well I've made it to the end at last. That was really quite a challenge. So the grass was getting so long that kept tangling around the head of the strimmer. But I've also had sections like this where you've got willow tree growing, and the willow tree certainly won't cut through with the strimmer, but it still gets tangled around and pulls you off. So it's been a big battle, but I've got most of the grass down. So my plan is to cut the hedge and rake that up. That will get the worst of this grass up. I can then come back along, take these willow trees out, and then come back along and do another pass with the strimmer just to tidy up the grass. So yeah, I don't think the owner realises quite how bad this is along here. So last year it took me about a day just to whip through and trim everything back, and that was early in the spring. But yeah, this year I think it's going to take more than a day to just get this side under control. So yeah, I'm going to go have a quick break and I'll be back with the hedge cutter. I got back up here with the tools and I thought before I start recording I'm going to give it a quick go and just see how things go, if I need to change anything, get any different tools. So yeah, that's taken me half an hour. There's not a lot of difference there. So yeah, I'm not sure if I am going to make it to the end in this video, but yeah, let's see how we get on. Well, I've made it up to halfway, but unfortunately that's all I've got time for today. So I'm going to have to pick this up another day. But this side, now that is a change. So yeah, I've been back through, I've trimmed all the edges again, raked everything up, so it's all looking so much neater. I have also tried to do this side of everything and trim all the bank. I went round as many of the daisies as I could, but it's that balance of wanted to leave the daisies because they're nice, but also want to trim the bank. So, but these are all nice and even, all nice and tidy. So that is what I'm aiming for. Nothing fantastic along here, just maintained. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to try and get this into that state. So it's going to be a bit of a challenge. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to do here. So the berberis here I can definitely cut some point next week. But the viburnums here might be a problem. Best time of year to cut these is in the spring. And we're in June now, so there's a few of them like this one where you can see there's growth in the middle already. So I should be able to do that one. But I might have to be a bit choosy with some of them. If you cut them too late into the summer, then they're just going to die. So we'll see how they look once I've cut it. But make sure you subscribe, because I'll definitely be cutting this and opening it up and trimming those back. And I might be taking the height of them down too. So, right, well, I'll end this video here and I shall see you later.